Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's still Thursday, January the 5th, 2023. And I've already solved two puzzles in this additional, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. Well, those puzzles seems it's the one indicated, both are 2 stars. So we have two puzzles left, the tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch they call it Saivar block. And this one you are interested, yes, the binary puzzle number 5743. 5743. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 18 printed digits. 18 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 1's comes in O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. We have here 3 O's in the last column. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 1s in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can we know this should be a 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So those 2 boxes should be a 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. And now, double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. We have here 3 1s. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Then, time for comparing. Well, let me think. Yeah. Time for comparing. We have 1 completed row. 2 completed rows. And we have 1, 2 completed columns. Well, Well. Let me check. Double 1 here. Double O here. Oh. Well. Come on. Where's the opening? The opening. 1, 2, 3. No. 2. 1, 2, 3. No. 1001. No. Double 1 here. No. 10. Come on. Well, here. Look to this row and that row. Look to the ones. We have here 1. We have one completed row. The first one, the second one, and the third one. Well, the fourth one in this row is here. I cannot place the fourth one there. Otherwise, we have identical rows. Correction. So here I cannot place a 1. This should be an O. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. And an O between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between the O is an O and a 1 there. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. So that box should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, then we have 3 1s in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be an O. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 10, 10. We have a 10, 10 here. Oh, here 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Well, need to compare again. 10, 10. We have here 10, 10. This row and that row. Let me compare. The O, 1, 1, O, 1, 1, empty box, 0, 1, 1. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Finish in 7 minutes. Well, not a hard one, but you need to look for those 1s. Here and there. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, so we'll do the thing. So thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later on. No, not later on. In a minute, in a few seconds, with the last puzzle. Tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.